During the pandemic, I've seen a huge shift towards like a real focus on student-centeredness and a real focus on teaching with care and flexibility, and that's had really good impacts in accessibility in other places too.
You know, with Panopto, lecture capture being a big thing, people are actually downloading the podcasts, taking it with them, listening to them on the way to school, going back over and over and over again for retention, using the captions and annotations to actually, get better interaction with the content, more retention.
It's way easier to do video in the classroom with things like the web-based editor, comment and discussion tools, captioning tools. All of those make it really easy to create media that works well for students in their learning experience. And I think a lot of people are investing more in that than I saw when like the flipped video movement kind of first started 10 or 12 years ago.
We're seeing things like lots and lots of supplemental materials being introduced. So not only just video, but also text, audio only, podcasts, things like that, because we found that students just react to different types of content differently. I myself, I have to see video. I can't sit down and focus and read. So having different types of media that covers the same kind of content is really beneficial to me.
Like anything a student can do to say record what's happening, to be able to go back in a timeline and hear back and like revisit notes or things like that is huge for helping students to get everything they need out of that. And perhaps they could even be more present by not being stressed about capturing every word in detail, focusing more strategically on the content that way. But I think tools like this can help that a lot.